Welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I hope you guys all had a good time off. I know I did. I did take one extra day and it was glorious. I'm not going to lie. I got to spend it with my family, my wife, and my daughter, and we had a lot of fun. So now it's time for that 3 week stretch before we get 2 weeks off. Remember, you only have 14 more school days now because we're almost done. Well, you're done with today if you're at home listening to this. But if you're not at home listening to this, why are you not at home? You should be doing this during school. All right, let's get going. This is now Module 3, Lesson 1 for Eureka Squared Math, 4th grade. Module 3, Lesson 1 homework helper. All right, let's look at today's. It says divide, use the place value disk to help you. So we have 900 divided by 3, which is 9 hundredths divided by what? So all we did is we took these zeros and made it a word. So now we'll take the 3. The 3 is just going to stay there. I got to remember how to write. I can do this all again. You know what? I can't leave that. It's going to bother me. All right. Let's try this again. Half a snowman. There we go. All right. Number 3. All right. If we look over here, we have 1, 2, 3 groups, right? So this 3 is the 3 groups we have here. And then we took the 9, right? Because now we're just using 9. And counted 3 groups. So if you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of them are gone. All of them went in there. There's no one of them doesn't have more than the others. They went in nice and even. So if we look, each group has 3. So if we count 100ths, 200ths, we have 3 hundredths in there, which is the same as 300. All right. Now you're going to do the same thing below. Same thing below. Use lists like we did the one up here to help you. I mean, you can circle your groups. You don't have to. You can square your groups if you want to. If you want to make them a funny shape, make them all the same funny shape, right? Because either way, you're breaking them into 3, and that's all we're really looking for here is to see that you are breaking them into 3 separate groups. The groups can be like whatever you want, as long as there's only 3 of them. All right? Use that to help you on that one. On the back. There's just no pictures, but it's the same thing. Remember the trick we've talked about in class, right? Let's take this one, okay? If we just get rid of those zeros, okay? 16 and 4. 4 does not go into 1 because it's bigger, so we put a 0, and now we have to see if 4 goes into 16. If we go to our multiplication chart, go over to 4, go down, we will find 16 down there. 4 goes into 16 4 times. That gives us an even. But those 2 zeros have to come back now here. So put them right here also, right? Look at that. Another answer just for you. Okay. Let's look at the redraw and write one on the bottom. It says, Ivan has 28 coins. Carla has 3 times as many coins as Ivan. How many coins does Carla have? Well, Ivan has 28, and Carla has 3 times as many coins as Ivan. So Carla has 3 times as many coins as Ivan. Why don't you make this easier, though? Why don't we say 20 plus 8, and go 3 times 20 and 3 times 8, and then add that answer plus that answer, and you'll get how many coins Carla really has. This was a quick one today, which is good. We got to get back in the swing of things after I have some time off. I know I do. My brain wants to be on vacation still, but it's not, so we got to get to work. If I do, you do. It's only fair. All right. My subscribers is growing. I noticed that. I'm up to like 41 now, which is interesting. One of my videos has been watched 173 times, which is pretty cool. I don't know. I'm curious who else out there is watching these. If it's not just my class from River Oaks Elementary, who else is out there? You guys can always send me a message. See if you can get your friends to sign up. See if we get Mr. Short a couple extra dollars by getting enough people signed up. All right. I hope this helped. I will see you on the next video. Again, this was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 1 homework helper. Have a good night.